This morning, the final segment of the penalty phase of the Pittsburgh synagogue shooting trial got underway. Andy Sheehan joins us live outside the federal courthouse with up-to-the-minute developments. Andy.
Well, having decided that Robert Bowers is eligible for the death penalty, the jury will take the next 2 weeks deciding whether to impose that penalty or whether to give him life in prison. Facing the jury, prosecutor Nicole Vasquez-Smith began her statement telling them, quote, "The defendant made his decision to kill and kill again and again and again, 11 times. You found him guilty. You found him eligible for the death penalty. Now is the time to hold him accountable for his decisions." In the next 2 days, the prosecution will present the impact of those decisions, the testimony of the family members of the victims. Quote, "You're going to learn how they lived, how they loved, and how much they are missed by those who love them," Vasquez told the jury. Over the next 2 weeks, the jury will need to weigh and balance the arguments of the prosecution and the defense, whether Bowers faces death or life imprisonment without the possibility of release. Instructing them, Judge Robert Colville said they must consider several aggravating factors against Bowers, such as the impact on the victims' families, the injury to civilians and law enforcement, the defilement of a house of worship, and his lack of remorse. Vasquez said the prosecution will put great weight on this lack of remorse. Quote, "The defendant said he wanted parades and medals. He was proud of what he had done. He told the defense's own doctor he was pleased and only wished he had killed more." The defense will take an entire week asking the jury to consider so-called mitigating factors, explaining Bowers' actions, delving into his troubled childhood, a family history of violence and mental illness, and explore again Bowers' own mental disorders, which they say impelled him to embrace and act upon wild conspiracy theories about Jews. In her opening statement, defense attorney Elisa Long said, quote, "We're not asking you to excuse what he did at the Tree of Life synagogue. He should be punished, but do so by voting for life and by asserting that new death is not necessary. Life in prison is considerable punishment, and by voting for life, you will punish him and hold him accountable." Now, the jury has begun hearing from the first of those family members, the victims' family members. The first, Carol Black, who is the sister of Richard Gottfried. Expect to hear from at least 20 victims' family members over the next 2 days. Reporting live at the U.S. Courthouse downtown, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.